and welcome back to another video. I've been feeling like it's been a while since I've made any kind of layer cake, which is complete nonsense because I literally made a cake this morning. But the problem with baking as a job is that you're literally spending all day looking at these cakes, getting inspiration, and then you can't eat them at the end of the day. So just come home from work and I bake more stuff. Today I'm making a cinnamon waffle cake. This is similar sort of to something that we do at work, but I'm veganizing it obviously. It's going to be a cinnamon layer cake with maple icing and then pieces of waffle on top, which we're also going to make. So yeah, let's get started. In this bowl I've got 400 grams of self-raising flour, 1.5 teaspoons of bicarb, 175 grams of caster sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And then into that I'm adding 400 grams of soy milk, which I've added a teaspoon of vinegar into, and then 115 ml of oil. So now I'm just dividing this up between 2 cake tins which I've oiled. If you want to be accurate, it's about 500 grams per cake tin. So now we're going to bake these at 175 degrees C for 20 to 25 minutes. While the cake is cooking, I'm going to get on with making the buttercream. So in here I've got 150 grams of vegan butter, vegan spread, and 175 grams of icing sugar, so we need to mix these together. So into the icing I'm adding half a teaspoon of cinnamon and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Okay, so now just stick this in the fridge until the cakes melt and cooled completely. So now for the last component, which is the waffles. I have got in a little can here 30 grams of vegan butter, 15 grams of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of vinegar and 75 grams of water. I'm just going to melt those together on the hot line. And then the dry ingredients that I'm going to pour that into are 75 grams of plain flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of cinnamon and a pinch of salt. Okay, so that's almost completely melted. I'm just letting the last bits melt in the residual heat. So I'm just mix the dry together. Okay, so just leave that to sit for a couple of minutes while you're heating up a waffle line. So the waffle maker's just got up to temperature. This is starting to boil a little bit, so now I'm going to put this into the pan and cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Cake's cool, let's decorate it. Ice in here, I've just been sitting in the fridge. Don't want to put too much on this way, you want to save most of it for the top. Just working it. You don't really want it too close to the edges because you don't want it to spill out. Okay, just scoop the rest of the icing on top. Okay, so just spread it so it's right towards the edge, all over. And then go around with a palette knife and just smooth it up. Okay, so you can just spread the rest into the middle. I'm just going to put the leftovers back in the middle as well, so there's a nice thick layer on top. And then slightly sparse bits. So then do whatever kind of pattern you like on top really. I'm just going to do a bit of a swirl, so just put my palette knife down and just spin the turntable. Okay, so then we've got the waffle here. I'm going to just cut it up a bit. Obviously I don't want huge slices. This was cooking for 6 minutes. I opened up the lid. I forgot that I'd left it on, so then the bottom just cooked a little bit more. I'm just trimming the edges down to make it a flat edge. So I got some waffle pieces on there now. There are leftovers, just dip them in maple syrup. I've got some cinnamon sugar here, so it was a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon plus 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. I'm going to sprinkle that over the top. And then last thing, I just put some maple syrup in a squeezy bottle. This used to have vegan mayonnaise in it, so I'm just going to drizzle that over the top. Pour that over the top and all over. I've got maple syrup everywhere. I'm so excited to try this. Wow. The waffle up a little bit so I get a clean waffle. Oh my god. Oh my god. This cake is so soft. It's got a real butteriness to it. I imagine that's kind of like an associative taste with maple syrup. I shouldn't be left with this cake. Big fan of having something to like crunch on as well with the cake. Make sure you check out the recipe for this. It'll be linked below. Make sure you try it. Please like this video, comment, subscribe if you did like it. Thanks very much for watching and see you next week.